ज्या जाग्यार खंय स्पीड ब्रेकर्स रमलर्स बी घालपाक जाय, स्पीड ब्रेकर्स इरेक्ट करपाचे आसा किंवा स्पीड ब्रेकर्स पेंटींग करपाचें आसा, त्या संदर्भान आमी मिटींग घेतलेली आसा आनी त्या प्रमाणे डायरेक्शन्स दिल्लेले आसा की ते इरेक्ट करपाक जाय थंय जाग्यार इरेक्ट करा किंवा पेंटींग जाल्यार पेंटींग करा. अशे स्पॉट्स आमचे कडेन सद्या अबावट 90 सुमार मेळ्ळेले आसा. पूण हय नाही आमी फक्त नॉर्थमध्ये सांगचे.
सर पूण आतां हे जे पॉटहोल्स आनी जे बॅड एलिवेशन ऑफ रोड हे कितले आयडेंटिफाय जाले?
पॉट होल्स असून तेजे आमचे हांगा आयडेंटिफाय काय केल्ले ना. तेंच्यांनी आमकां कांय ब्रीफ सांग आमी फक्त जे हे आसा ब्लॅक स्पॉट ते आयडेंटिफाय केलेले आसा. जशे आमी आख्खे स्ट्रेच जो आसा नॅशनल हायवे ताचेर आयडेंटिफाय केलेले आसा. नॅशनल हायवेक आमी फक्त नॉर्थ गोवा अरावंड 5-6 ब्लॅक स्पॉट्स आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले आसा.
One in Panjim, one in Porori, one in Bisholi, one in Perne, and one in Anjuna police station jurisdiction. The 5 spots that have been taken up for analysis by this council, and based on the report, then necessary recommendations will be put up to the government for, in case they find that the cause of accident was because of faulty road engineering, or if the committee comes to the conclusion that it was due to rash and negligent driving, then of course prosecution against the concerned person involved in the accident will be carried out.
On the issue of many deaths are taking place, because of the helmets, not wearing of helmet and wearing of fake helmet. So we have asked Director of Transport to immediately call a meeting. On the issue of stray cattle, we have asked Director of Panchayats to immediately take on priority the cattle which are sitting outside Goa Medical College. There is a Gram Panchayat Development Fund where up to 2 lakhs the Panchayat can spend the money. Panchayat can spend the money to put signage, go slow, speed limit, don't drink and drive. Ashe the signages asa. And in this regard, we have asked them to immediately alert the Director of Panchayat to spend this money which is there under their purview, which is given by central government.